Hey roomies, welcome to episode 2 of Read the Room, the Taytungyan podcast. I'm Mike Balantong. I am here with...
Wiko Halea.
Mark T.
Yay! Where today, we have no idea what we'll be talking about. Woo! Love it. This is, nag-peak. Oh no. Oh no, that's okay. This is, I don't know, episode 2. Episode 2. Episode 2. Wala kami script, wala kami topics. It's very alang-alang. There is loyalty week. It is busy and
It's raining.
we're in Manila. We're balling.
Woo! Okay.
Cringe sa ato.
Gani naman eh.
Okay lang na, dalon tan eh.
First topic.
Wait lang, guys. Mamba, si Vico, first topic.
First topic. First topic. Exams.
Guys, our first topic is the exams. How are your preparations for the exams? Well, nag-delay ang exams. Nakataon ka mo. Like, if why gingiyo?
Oh. If working ngayon, nagtuon ko eh.
We!
Oh,
We!
Tuon man? Okay. Kawal na predict ko na yan na si... nag-pick naman. Na-predict ko yan na ni Mayor yan. Ni cancel yan.
Bigo mo?
Samba nga cancel na naman balo to di.
Balo tadi.
Nagagad man niyo.
Nangagad man ko. I forgot kung ano tong Olabrahon. Ang entrep gali. I was like, if I can finish entrep before 11:30, then hindi ko magvalo. Nakalabot 11:30 way po katapos. Okay. We play
Kampang
valo.
na lang.
May kampang na ako valo. Ay, entrep for tomorrow.
Take out yan. Tuon ka.
Kaya week nakataon ka.
Suga matigo.
Why? I
Yes.
did not learn.
Siyang shy boy naman. Siya ay soft boy. E-boy. Kamaya nakataon. Sigurado wala. Ikaw, sigurado
Si
wala.
Mateo.
Wala.
Yan, tuon.
Si Mateo wala makataon. Tuon.
Actually, wala yung tuon.
Feeling ko wala damo. Tuon bagsak kung wala gid kang
Oo.
sayo.
Damo to actually sa section tawa yung tuon mo.
General damo gid jaway
Oo.
tuon. Ga na like gid pagwa gid. Wala kami tanan katuon.
I-cut ta lang.
Hindi pagikat ah. This is the facts.
Tuon man.
This is the facts. Anyways, I'm pretty sure they already know may matataon.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess senior high in particular daw medyo sako. Yes.
Sako ka mo.
Sako ka mo.
Ano yung nabra niyo subong?
They have 9 exams.
9? Oh, 9, yeah. Check ko.
7 na tuon.
7 lang ata.
Ano? TTGT.
Oh yeah, I forgot
Intrams.
that existed.
TTGT Intrams. Oh, Grateful Hearts. Brigade.
Grateful Hearts.
Okay.
There is a lot to do.
Damo. Tatlo man.
Tatlo man lang.
Atik.
Kaya na.
Kapos na.
Sako.
Tatlo man. Kaya pa man ka mo next year pa man na igo. Ginta na na.
Oo. Ang budlay sa inyo subong si Prikal kag si Janmat.
Next year yun.
Next year.
Kaya yun
ate,
na.
Kung next year tayo miyara, naka mo bake
I'll be
out.
fair. I'm pretty sure like ang grade 12 daw mas hapos. It's just that like bugat. Like ang Olo Brown.
Mas chill to sa kang... Sa,
In general, I feel like the topics sa grade 12 chill.
oh.
Ang Olo Brown ang ganyan.
Doon hindi mo na... Oh, kailan naman Japan to nan. Pero...
Yeah, the practical.
Basta kung mamate, kung mag-gets mo na yan.
Yeah, basta
Sa grade 11, yan kaysa doon makado, pag-abot mo sa balay mo, tuon ka.
tuon ka pa. Okay lang na, brighter days are ahead.
Ano reaction mo na?
Feeling mo may times, like, for sure, ara kay gampang. Ikaw yung week, may time ka pa for your hobbies. What are your hobbies? Grinding the British Tech 3?
No, Swedish ko.
Swedish, sa. My God.
Swedish.
He grinds the He grinds the Swedish Tech 3 in War Thunder. Gampang ka pa?
Kisa, kung why ko lubrahon, itala ka lang. Ngayon patay ko perme.
Skill issue. Actual skill issue. Si Mark War Thunder man eh.
Ano country mo?
2 minutes.
2 minutes. He played for 2 minutes. He queued nakampang sa 3 games. All of those 3 games, custom games, kontra yung mga Lepardo. reserve
my
reserve siya.
God.
Yung pulihan sa naman.
GG.
Ang nang initiation to the squad. Pasalamat ka, kaya ginamon.
2
Si Patrick
games sa
ba?
Leopards. Kontra, ano?
Kontra reserve. Kaya na yan. If you believe.
Kamu ikaw, si Tristan.
I'm pretty sure same BR kami.
Patrick, no?
Ano BR mo?
Gampang pa. I forgot. T54, pinaka-advance ko, I think.
Advance ko BMP1.
Okay, tapos yung BR ta. Taon? BMP1? I don't know. It's been like at least a year since I've
A
played.
year?
Yeah, since I've touched. Ang last ko nga hampang, like sang bago pa lang ang Tomcat.
May F15 kag 16 na.
I know. I know.
Oh.
So, wait, sang last ko
So,
nagampang.
dalawa yung pag-idiyagan.
Why gid so na ya?
ang last ko nga hampang pagkagawa sang Maverick. Sang Top Gun Maverick. Kasama na pagka-update nila, di ba? Sang
Oh, F14.
F14.
Ma, what?
How
Tugay
long
pa?
ago? Dugay na. Life gets busy.
2 years? No, 2 years
You,
siguro.
2 years?
Pero imagine na, for
It's-
3 years, addict. Good siya.
I refuse to let the snail touch me anymore.
Oh.
The snail doesn't have a no hold. Pero hindi man guro nga 2 years nga way ko gampang. Gampang ko Japon, but like, it's an on and off thing. I'd play for like 20 minutes, die to cast, and just quit. The average War Thunder life.
Real.
Si Tristan. Si Tristan nga pa. Kapan Tristan. Kaman ko lang ko gampang Japon.
Punta kami sa liga tampang.
Yeah, pwede ko sa ligad gampang.
To, okay, Tristan, yung mid-game sa father, gampang sa Japan, North Thunder.
Ha?
Kadelikado sa bago yung nga setup like ADHD gidya.
Oo.
Gavalo gatap out sa HSR. Gamo ka man na mo.
Ako kabalo ko. Tigalin mo sa lalay, at least ako ya, pwede ko mapause ya.
Asa
Iya,
ka
ya.
You keep
Live
rolling.
gid ya. Kung magtiro siya, katiro mo tas sa bartender.
The grind doesn't stop.
Mano ka na eh, tangkot lang, masulod ka na eh.
I'll be fair here. If you play air realistic, kag ma-bomber ka lang, you can AFK it.
Oo. Pero masala lang Tristan na gahampang valo, gahampang pag don't starve.
What? Don't starve. Oh, God.
Oo.
Ang don't starve, sadya. I like the don't starve
Wala
era.
ka pa Japan, wala ka kampan.
I can't do it.
May ara ako, nakuha ko sa free, din mo ko lang nagamit.
I like,
No.
ang don't starve nga era
Wait,
was
upod.
like, you cannot starve with
Lipot-lipot lang
us.
to actually.
It was short, pero I don't know why. Nasadyahan ko kuya.
Kapag akong pinakalipot, pagid, Terraria na to, na
No! Terraria?
Wala kay laba, totoo. Pero lipot man to technique nga. Like compared sa iba na ginapangampang.
I have like 200 hours sa Terraria like, across 3 weeks.
Oo. Ang mga
For 3
Lipot mga
weeks,
nilipot lang.
for 3 weeks straight, I played Terraria. Every mod, every
Imo pa to sala.
Guys. Yeah, ako ba to sala. Yeah, sang wala pa ako nakabuhi. I had,
Wala pa ko ganun ka-finish asa subong vanilla ng Terraria.
yeah, wala
Diretso
pa
na
sa
pod.
finish. Vanilla nga Terraria. I forgot kung paano ko naka... I do know nga wala ko to natapos legit. Kaya daw nag-throw to si Tristan sa Moonlord nga fight.
At si Tristan pa.
Not like throw. I meant like he used his OP gear. Si Tristan or si Matt? For si Tristan.
Ah,
Yes,
di kaya si
kung
Tristan.
makita
Tapos
si
yung
Tristan.
Matt yun.
Si Matt. I don't wanna talk about... Like, tanan na games ni Matt though. Like, I think my most played... Hasta subong or most played ko nga game CSGO. Like ours.
Just go.
Yeah, in terms of ours.
Anong imo nga rare skin?
I don't have skins, bro. I don't have money. What you on? Wait, ko kwarta?
Huwag kami ka skins yan.
I gambled, but I don't have money.
Si Matt.
Like, I would open an average of 1.5 case per month.
Ito na lang.
1.5.
It's an average. May naging piyak ang tibang daw roulette na 10 seconds. Ang isa ka, case 5 seconds lang. So,
Still 3 days.
still blue. On average, I gain about 3 pesos per month and I lose about 300. I think it's a very nice
Kami
investment.
actually na
It's not.
ano to
Don't
ang longest
gamble.
ko man? It's either Minecraft
Don't
or
gamble,
Valorant.
kids.
Valorant, no?
Ooh. Actually, I think
Ano
Minecraft.
Minecraft. Kaya ikaw yung kaya gatulog kasi.
Yeah, I katulog. I don't measure my Minecraft hours
Ikaw go
though.
Bra Farms ay.
No?
No.
No?
Ethan.
Si Ethan.
Si Ethan. Si Ethan actually mas lala.
I do.
Open ka bago nga server. First day na direct na yan.
I do. Yes. I
Speedrun ba?
do everything but farm. Like, nag-bra ako.
Buildings.
Siya
I
ga-build. It's
ga-build.
either- Wait, ikaw ga-build, si Tristan ang traveler.
Tristan na Traveler.
Si Tristan ang
First-
rason ka lang for me nga man na
First
server.
day in the server, 20,000 blocks away. I love it. Every 2-week phase ever.
Kuya mo ano?
Then ma'am,
Ga-
basta chat, tawag niya, village, negative ang mga nga,
Oo, ma'am. Balasa. Mama. Kada,
Negative 20.
kada may labyan sa structure, like Ocean Monument Village, gina-write ang chords, galayo ang chords sa chat namon. Bro.
Balik ka ba sa yan, sa new base?
No, oh yeah, kasi
This is where
Yeah.
Another
hub. Another hub kami. It's not even another hub. It's like a scuffed like path nga. If you're not careful, you could die. And
Over
like,
sa mga lava lakes.
yeah,
di
and
yun.
every day I'm naginagyan na mo na isa ka sa patay ka na. We've never tried. Actually, we've tried Isaka Hardcore World.
Modded, yeah.
Modded, yeah, of course, modded.
Favorite mod?
We played Ice and Fire the longest.
Yeah, Ice and Fire was good.
Ice and Fire nga.
Ay, oo.
Ang pinaka-longest. Ang maganda, ang Ice and Fire nga custom mod pack.
Kaso natin...
Atong ginamax tang luck. Ginamax na mo na luck. Luck is the best skill, guys. Not strength.
Sa bilog na COVID,
Okay.
pila tayahan ka, ano man?
Minecraft servers?
No, pila ta ka 2 week Minecraft face.
Yeah, like,
Ano ka mo server?
yes.
Start ka mo server?
Yeah.
Yes, the 2-week face, bro.
Gamit mo
It's
yung
the
server, so may
2-week
nakalagi
face
actually.
canon.
Anong server? Anong yung server hosting?
Oh
Ang
my
gamit
God, Aternos.
Ayaw.
Most
Why
land.
kami gabay?
I feel like across the whole pandemic, pila ka servers?
Wala pa 20, no?
At most,
20?
more.
At least like 30 or 50.
Saan? Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, to, no?
We had a lot of servers.
Kaya then, bisa, like, may mga servers kami na galasang for 1 week, then after
Yeah,
na,
and then
ilis
after
ah.
na, ilista.
May mga server nga why nagagamit.
May ban nga server nga waging gamit. We play on it for 2 days. Galing sako to na antay wayang dayon.
Ano pinaka-longest nga phase? Anong pinaka-longest nga SMP niyo?
Ang original.
Yeah.
Ang origin.
Ang original.
No, ang after sang swamp. After sang swamp daw mo to.
Yeah, that was the original.
Ang
original.
aralan ta sa island.
Yeah.
Ang matong pinakadugay.
Hindi, kay, like, that was the, ang panang server. Nga, hindi kami kabla maghampang. We had like one netherite for the entire server. And gina-guard na mo, gina-protect, gina-protect na mo sa item frame. And it was there. It was the simple times nang hindi pa kami. Biskan diamonds, we were broke. Like 2 months into the game, we had like 3 diamonds.
So, ako to sa ako na ang KFC na ako na generator.
KFC generator.
Ang gagwa lang feather.
I love
Hindi
it.
cooked chicken or bisan raw chicken feather gid ang gagwa.
Feather. Ang mob grinder nga may gaspon ko mob.
Lagi to ko oras ito noon. Wis. Ano ba yun? Ang ako to balay na tree house. Yung ino to yung mo balay. Ang tsura ganing ko balay to
It
yung
was
mo.
ang balay ko. It was
Doon
like
naman
covered
ko yung
with
tree
leaves.
house.
I remember may art part nga covered with leaves and I didn't know at the time nga if you put it next to wood, madula lang. Like, kung kakasunod mo madula, bilog ko nga balay overnight. It was not.
Dumdumo tong war server na to.
Ang war server. Oh!
Like guns.
We had like,
Nakagi ka mo like war sa inyo server.
yeah.
Like duha ka factions.
Yeah.
Ganun.
Hindi country.
We have like a whole-
Factions in
We had
country.
country. We had a whole,
Country.
I'm not kidding, we had a whole lore.
Oh.
Like, bilog nga ano, gindokumento namon. I'm not kidding, I could show you right.
Kami
I
ka?
could read
Kami na
to
to
you.
ni Patrick ang ano.
Sila lang ni Patrick ang upda
Ang salayat na nando alay. Di ako
Not gonna lie.
2v pila.
2v4,
To be
5.
four, yeah, to be five. No, si Ethan, why to nag-intra?
San Gelora to si
San Jular.
ano pa yun?
I'll be
Si-
fair,
ano pa?
right? Si Jacob, upod niya to. Jacob Flores.
Hindi ka rin daw ay matindi mo to siya present.
Hindi siya present. Hindi kipalihan, tato sa
So
sulihin.
nag-away na gid. Kami lagi to ni Patrick eh.
Amo lang ito ni Patrick and then everybody died and then may nagbutwa ng Ender Dragon.
Ganun lang, hindi kami to ni
Tapos na
Patrick.
to, it was done. It was like the whole thing was done na pagkatapos. Wait lang. Where is
Ang lore
it's in the kagcast nga podcast kag crew nga fact of the day. We used to have a Discord server. Nga daw every day may fact of the day kami. Everybody got too lazy. Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
May word of the day, may fact
Word of the day. I deleted word of the day. And then
Si
fact of the
Mi6 daw
day.
yun, nag-good morning pa sa ato.
Mi6 ka good morning. We had the bot say good morning to us every day. This is oh yeah, I deleted the original. Oh my god. This is like 5 years worth of Kagero lore.
Nadula, ang mga documents.
Mga documents of the quotes. We don't get into that. And we're back.
Na, may break ta.
Was technical difficulties. Ganon. Okay,
Guys, ang
guys.
iba niya, ano po yung nampang yung games? Like
Games?
this, pag, pag bagyo, yung hinahampan.
Honkai style.
Oh really? Valorant.
Honkai.
Like,
Honkai.
impressed.
They're so impressed. ano yung mo, Minecraft?
Minecraft.
Really?
gapon na gid.
Recent, oh.
Gapon na gid nagsugod
I don't
ang Oh.
2-week phase.
2-week phase. Hindi mo naguro 2 weeks. Ha?
Like kang IPO, pod kami, mag-grief kami.
Oh, i-leak sa ni hatag sa amin.
I don't know. Like, low-key Valo.
Sinong ara? Kag.
Jacob. Kag and friends.
Jacob and Friends.
Jacob and
Love it. Wait lang.
Yan ara mo.
You know, like, isang una, pag like, back when we were ambitious, mga grade 8 garo, doon naman mong istorya, nga, we would start, like, taytong Minecraft server.
Oh.
I mean, it would be a mess. It would be the biggest anarchy server.
Yeah.
What's the worst that could happen?
Do be tuti.
The next would be Tuti. Who knows? Maybe. You never know.
Basta
Basta
si Wiko masugod. Yeah.
sa week ko masugod, yeah.
Base.
Minecraft server. what
Kapakal ka mo sa inyo server.
No, Waternos.
Okay.
Okay. Wait, do you guys have paid? Okay. Well, okay, about paid actually. Winecraft.
Oh, win ka.
I like Winecraft.
Didn't even play much.
You on? I'm like level
No, kabalo ko,
60
ba't
something, no?
Level ako gani.
We didn't play like like we'd play together but like individually.
Level ako gani.
Like kit an island ta.
I forgot.
You're like
We're level 80.
yeah, 80
God?
ka na.
We're both level 80.
All I know is nakalapa ako 60 because my whole life purpose, I got a really OP relic at the start and my whole life purpose was just to equip it. So after I like na-equip ko na, I just stopped playing.
Wait, what's your role again?
A shaman.
Ayaw na siya.
Why are you laughing? I actually logged in bago lang and I made a new account. It was like an archer and it lasted for like not even a week, like 2 days. I played archer class for 2 days. They changed some of the stuff. I like.
Do ako bilang do depiction sa mga archers sa mga movie. Pero IRL do sila di bang usually yung pinakakusog.
Yeah, sila, they don't have they don't even use the quiver. Ano gani? Quiver, yeah. Because
Sa bow pa lang pila nakadepende mo.
yeah, pila ka pounds
Oo.
of force.
Ano yun.
Kapin pa mga daan nga, it was just a stick and a string. Tiga-tiga.
Speaking of that, ang archers ang atong title.
Yeah, may archery.
Ayaw na.
May archery taitong.
Gusto mo try archery?
Yeah, I wanna try archery too.
Ang
Kung
kuman.
sagad ko na.
Gusto mo
Ano?
Yeah.
No, wala.
Dude, this is
No
what 10
toxic
hours
trait.
of Hunger Games can do to you. Minecraft Hunger Games. This is how much like 10 hours of Minecraft Hunger Games can do to you. Kamo pa kamo mga like servers like
Yes. Ano? Jartex.
okay.
Kun,
No,
basically
I'm-
every crack server ever.
No, it's
Ano kaning ano?
Pika.
Di ang isa pa ang ano Hypixel. Hypixel.
Hypixel. I don't play
Galing ka
Hypixel.
ba?
I can play Hypixel. Everybody there is just sweaty.
Tod man.
I don't play Hypixel.
Pero kabalo kang favorite na ko na Hypixel na game.
Ano?
Ang build na bala. Ang build ba?
Build battles is fun. I was gonna say something about the server. Totally forgot kung ano.
Ang Pokemon server.
Pokemon server. I logged in for like 1 day. And I never logged back in.
Pero actually, isa to sa mga...
Level 4.
My Mudkip was level 4. My Mudkip died. All of my Pokemon died. I like walked. I walked. Yeah, no. My one Pokemon died. Walked around for 10 hours. Couldn't find like a revival center. I just dipped. It's the story of my life sa
Pero ito,
Pokemon.
ang Pokemon server, sa technically, dugay man to na server na... Ano.
Really? I didn't play in it.
Ito kami lang yan.
Yeah, kamo.
Kami ito tatlong gampa.
Nagaya kamo.
Hindi ma...
Yeah.
Mga more or less, mga 2 to 3 weeks garo, no?
You know what? Like one of my favorite servers was the Christmas server.
You had a Christmas server?
May Christmas server.
No, it wasn't like Christmas
no,
themed.
The Wall Maria. It happened.
The Wall Maria,
Ah,
yeah, it
Wall
happened in
Maria.
Christmas. Basically, it was like the most advanced server, I think.
Yeah.
We had, yeah, it was just the most advanced server. And, why lang, it was just a 2-week phase. We just stopped playing. We just stopped playing. I had a plan and everything too. I was like, Maubra village and stuff, and I don't know why nandula na motivation.
We already had everything.
We already had everything.
Ang server ni Matt to bala? Ang...
Ice and Fire?
Ang Domiara, ang do mods to. Nangilag ito yung Domiara pa mga classes gani.
Origin.
Origin.
Origins.
That never,
The MMORPG?
never went well.
I had fun making that.
Abriab na Minecraft ko dabi.
It's
Kamu
open.
gitigi mo sa mods?
We made
No.
a...
Ang custom map they
Nag-
had planned. There's like 16 by 16 block nga.
Oh, nagbulig ko
Nga
kami to
chunk
build.
na dula.
Kami nag-build. It was basically like an MMORPG.
MMORPG, but may-
Turtle.
It was basically Winecraft. Si Turtle, yes. Kilos.
Basically, for ang sa ano pa dayon, sang duwara pa lang sa phase, bala na ginahimo pa lang nakabulig pa tatagan yung
Yeah.
buildings.
Nag-build ka mo to? That was fun. I had fun like coding and doing that.
Play offline. No?
That was when I learned to code. Not really learned, but that's my first experience coding.
Wipe out to kagad.
Coding a Minecraft server.
Nag-build lang iko to ya.
Yung nag-build it.
On war server?
Yeah, we talked about the war
Ang war
server. May whole
Ato ganing
lore.
country namon, Patrick ka. Kabala ko kamo ang isa na country
Like-
ninyo British.
Ano kami? Like NATO kami. I forgot kung ano.
My
Bilog ng NATO Alliance.
NATO Alliance
Kami
kami to.
ko, ano, may picture pa to sa mga flag
Picture.
gani.
Ito.
Ay, Warsaw.
Warsaw Pact.
Warsaw Pact sila.
There's the lore. Or sa fact of the day. Sa ano.
Do you guys remember ginaboy nila sa Jacob Shop?
Yes! See, this is what I meant. Ang bala nga, they were all alone sila duwa. Na bro, si Jacob Barato.
Quiet.
Everybody was, kung fu fight.
Check mo yung multiplayer. Pila ka servers.
Oh, I remember what I was gonna say. Wait, you haven't deleted a single server? What?
Okay, hindi pa na gani. Ano, ang iban delete ko na kaya do ka sakit sa mata. But yeah, amo na ang iban ng servers ang.
Oh, entire servers na.
No.
Damas damo pag may
Oh,
demon slayer pa kami gani.
I remember, yeah.
Made demons.
Yeah. We would mess around with like, mga random mods we found. We found like a Demon Slayer mod and we're like, Jujutsu Kaisen, and like it would last for one afternoon.
Ano, you have the cloud, Tristan.
I have the cloud. I have
Ano na ganun ng mod ah?
ang mod pack, ang Ice Fire.
Okay. Oh yeah, pagkita galit Twilight na.
Oh! Oh my god, the Twilight mag...
Twilight na mod pack?
No.
Anong tabo na?
Barney. Actually, just Barney.
Barney?
Like, ang first gid namon sa Twilight Forest, we didn't know nga there was a progression. We didn't know my progression, so we like walked around. And apparently, if you don't follow the progression, Barney will chase you down and kill you.
Huh?
So Barney chased us down and killed us. May one night, gito ya bro. Like, 3 o'clock sang aga, like, gahod sa amon mo vlog yung kay Barney.
Feeling ko Twilight, sabi lang doon nagsugod, kompang naduga pulaw pagit ko mo.
Yes.
Downfall. That was so good.
I love Twilight mod. Actually, I feel like Twilight was one of my most favorite mod packs just because it was actually a challenge.
Oh.
We escaped the Barney.
Ng crafting, gidi sang
Ang
mga weapon.
crafting sa weapons. Kaya may forge.
Excalibur ang ano tawag ah.
Because we used the forge.
Rapier.
Ang rapier. Definitely like Twilight. We should visit Twilight again. Kumampang magita. Twilight mod.
Ano mga weirdest mods niyo?
Weirdest mod?
No.
Public Demon Slayer.
Mandela Catalog.
Mandala ka.
When nakatulog.
Hindi,
Yo,
ang
the
isa pa
pandemic was something
Ang
else.
isa pa ito naglantaw, tabala no?
Jacob, Troy, I'll tell you.
Naglantaw, tabala, ang Encanto.
Yeah, we watched Encanto together. This is
theater.
pandemic happenings and ongoings.
Ang to pala, okay, April 23, 2021.
Yeah, we did.
Like,
Yeah, Among Us.
April 23, 2021, we have 13 SMPs. 2021 pala na.
Oh!
13?
Oh yeah, kay gin isip ta.
Oh.
2021 we had 13. So like
That's April though.
the what?
Very first server.
Ang
The swamp or the very first legit one? Ang village. The floating village. Yeah. We talked about that. It was sir. Wait, kabalo sister siya. Biskan kita, wait, kabalo nga mahimo ta. We just woke up and decided podcast. So we're gonna do
Next
podcast.
debate. Best Roblox game.
Best Roblox game. Ang underrated
Enemy
games.
Stand.
Oh, Battlegrounds game.
Oh,
Huh?
Tower defense game.
Oh! Okay. Wala nakita. But ang best Roblox games, ang mga underrated, yung like 100 or yung way galapaw, 1K players.
Yeah, fair.
Like, man?
Fishing simulator.
Ano ka nang isa? Yung Mysteria.
We had the Visteria phase.
Mysteria.
Visteria is kind of bad now that I look back on it. It was bad, but we just I don't know. I think it's the fact nga we played together. Nado ka sadya lang. Yeah, it's all about friendship.
Gusto mo basahon ko ang manifesto? Joke.
Ang ano? No. That's cringe, brother. That is cringe. We don't go there.
Parang ilang pound na sa ano, Roblox.
Mga horror games.
Remember
Yeah.
ang FNAF? We played.
Ang FNAF Doom. That was recent.
Yeah.
Nigerian?
Tristan.
Nigerian, the French, the US.
We're cutting this
And
out.
and mayroon ang Great Britain. Ay, cut lang sila ni.
I was British.
Or mga flag naman. No?
Ano ito nga? Ang sa...
Nigeria.
Nigerian.
Ay, tayo ng picture.
Si Tristan na Nigerian.
Tristan ang Nigerian.
May Norway po, gid ka mo.
Yeah, si Tristan.
Yes, he is actually in Norway.
Yeah.
Like he is
What?
End gani.
he is the legit Norwegian.
What?
Nag-move siya sa Norway.
On
Nag-move siya
October
Norway.
11, 2020, it began. Both factions met at Spawn.
Mark, that is
cringe.
cringe.
The war.
That is cringe. Cut that out.
The Nigerian, French, and US held the degenerates while the Great Britain
Oh
charged
yeah,
towards
degenerates
the
pangalan nyo.
base and village. The UAF forces did their best using the
It's not Air Force, it's Allied.
Ay!
using technologies that they barely held
is-
out except for USA
Wait,
who died
ano na,
countless
2020?
times due to no one helping him. Si Chico bang US?
Yes. Ano ni, 2021 or 2?
2021.
Grade 8.
Actually, October 11, 2020 nagsugod.
Grade 8. We were grade 8.
Oh.
That was 4 years ago.
This is crazy.
That's kind of
Really?
crazy. It's actually kind of crazy.
No one else in the server knew, but the day before, British forces had infiltrated the degenerates base and laced it with TNT. Oh.
There's lore.
As soon as British forces arrived, both the village and the base went kaboom.
I forgot kung din ko pa nako ang chords.
Gimulupok yamon, base.
Hindi na po ko base nila. I forgot kung din ko nako ang chords.
They then proceeded
I
to
don't
return
think
to the
Jacob-
battle. Meanwhile, the UAF forces fell back and the
And then an Ender Dragon spawned. And then
managed
the
to
end.
also bomb UAF village.
Oh, I knew nga dugay, nakamablo. It was the Nether hub. Nakakonect ka sa Nether. And like, bro, that was
Technically,
cringe. That was
ito lang pala, in
cringe.
terms of, weapon, mas kusog to me ito. Kaya then we
Yeah.
had golden, may
Yeah,
enchanted golden
gaps.
apples. Kami to ya.
Dula, elytra ako. I made a lot of end crystals, but I didn't know how to use it.
What?
At that time.
OP.
OP.
Wow.
But like at that time, I
Just need
didn't know how to
obsidian.
yeah. Oh my god, Minecraft's something else. You know, actually, nag-istorya na kami like, this is controversial, I don't know. But like, okay lang. Hindi, this is not, this is
Give your hot
facts.
take.
Not hot take. Oh, hot take. Minecraft YouTube will never be the same.
Real.
It's
Heavy
a
on that.
path.
Real.
A worse music career, or they become, yeah.
Yes.
The
Dream.
cut that. Like the old days, like okay, not even Minecraft. I feel like YouTube in general. Like remember when it was just Jacksepticeye, Markiplier, and PewDiePie?
Yes.
I really like how like some YouTubers are like happy ending. Like I really love
PewDiePie.
how PewDiePie.
Heavy on PewDiePie.
Yeah, PewDiePie.
Actually,
Si Dan.
oh, Dan
Dan
TDM.
TDM.
Sino ang, ano pa gina?
No, we don't go there. It's happy endings.
Oh, ito na ang ano na gani, ang ni Skydas Minecraft na nagrupa?
Oh, Team Crafted.
Team Crafted.
Like Sunday.
Si Sunday lang gid ang doon
Yeah,
nag-okay,
si
di
Sunday
ba, ang
lang.
ending?
Sunday's bad.
Sunday
Oo,
Friday.
nag-low. Ay, nasubong.
Nag-low,
Pero in
nag-low.
terms of success, namin siya
Still
Japan.
successful. Si Jerome ka na ba?
Oo,
Did
dami
you know,
siya
okay, fun fact, did you know Post Malone was Team Crafted?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Partners ng Team Crafted.
si
So,
Post Malone parts ng Team Crafted. I think like half of Team Crafted makes music now. Like,
Skydas Minecraft ang music career.
True MC, bala si Jason, like ang upado pa dyan.
Oo.
He's a producer. He makes beats.
Sunday Among Us.
He's Sandy Among Us.
Oh, ga-ride na lang yun siya sa kung ano, ang trending.
Oh, Among
But,
Us.
kung anong araw din ng kwarta.
Yung karta. I mean, you can't really, you can't really blame him.
Ito.
Ang Minecraft server, yeah.
Yeah.
Andiyan, it's like a pay-to-win Minecraft server.
Ito.
Yeah, ang ka scam.
Wala
Yeah.
nang bato yun.
I don't know, just subong ko nakita. I mean, you can't really blame the guy, it's his job.
It's inflated. No, it's not siya ang owner, pero it's the mod's fault.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Like, siya lang nag-fund, pero hindi siya nagkapyat.
Yung ba nila, inflate nila.
So, nagdala lang siya sa...
Yeah.
Just name. Iya pang iya sir.
Yeah, pa sir.
There's the best na Minecraft YouTuber. Siya ang favorite ko.
Really?
Yeah.
Sandi?
Sandy?
Oo, yan. Sandy. Naling ako sa ngiya na, ano na ba? Ang Skyblock. Si
Oh,
Crainer.
yeah.
Ang Skyblock.
Ang
yun,
Skyblock,
Ang
nila ni
Skyblock
Crainer.
factory na niya.
That's when I found out. Thomas, ang Twilight.
Twilight, yung pa dayo namin.
Ang Twilight, that's when I discovered Twilight. Di pa
Si
to.
Sandy. Ang
The Lucky Block series.
Lucky Block series. Yung may arena pa.
Ang may arena, the whole, what they call this, the whole cobblestone versus dirt thing. Parang so good. Sa Sky Factory na so good.
I think.
Yeah. Sila nga Skyblock.
I still kind of want to play the Sky
Sila
Factory
nga
mod.
Skyblock.
There's a lot of mod packs that are like I really want to play, but I feel like they don't exist anymore. Does anyone remember Crazy Craft?
Yeah. Gintry ito na pala.
Try ito na.
Pero nagubata na.
Yeah.
no? Pero amo na, other than sa Twilight, Gorok, sa Sky
Crazy
Factory,
Craft,
amo na
sad
gusto
ba?
na ako na.
Yeah,
Mas gusto ko na kaysa Ice and Fire. Ganun.
real. It's so like
Doon mas better na
nostalgic.
siya na Ice and Fire.
It's kind of crazy nga 1.7 na, 1.8 na.
It's updated.
Crazy.
Is it updated?
Crazy Craft.
Crazy Craft. eh.
Updated sila.
No, Crazy Craft was fun. Ano ba, it's just I feel like the more bizarre, the more weird your mod is, the better it is.
Yeah.
I remember like I don't know, Crazy Craft was
Crazy Craft is
something else. Real.
So, ano ganun, duga, Crazy Craft sa una.
Si the chicken and the si Cody kag si ano na niya? The Atlantic Craft.
Atlantic Craft.
The chicken.
Chicken.
The chicken and the penguin. Oh yeah, the Atlantic.
Oh,
Doon na ako may
one of the OG played. I don't know if you kilala nila. Mga stories sa Minecraft. Afmao.
Away ko na ka.
Yeah.
Wag ko
I got-
dala yun.
Diaries.
I got invested into Diaries. Like My Street was okay, but Diaries was something else.
Yeah, Diaries was serious. Hardware.
Diaries had lore.
Why kami karon to?
Before My Street season 6, everything until then, like as a kid, it was pretty good.
No one knows what it is.
Yeah, no one knows what this is.
Hindi damo eh.
It's a Minecraft
I'm
roleplay
sure damo.
series.
Damo, like, okay, 50% kabalo.
Ah, yeah, mga nakagraduate kabalo for sure.
People know it. They just don't want to admit that they know it.
Yeah, same.
Jen, I knew Jen.
Kabalo ko galantaw ka mo Minecraft.
Did you know like actually like some of the voice actors that used to work for AFMAO now voice for Genshin?
Really? Really?
I have no idea who, but like I heard
Do which
Yeah.
girl?
Lucinda voices for Genshin.
Sino yung voice si Lisa?
I can search it.
I kind of like the writing of Diaries. Okay, before
I don't like the ship.
no, I don't like the ships.
Same.
Like OG Diaries, like before the time skip, or even after the time skip. Before they started incorporating animations, like there was like a point nga they started using animations, and I don't know that for me kind of ruined. I feel like I liked it more nga daw Minecraft lang ganyan nga. Yeah. The lore was good. The lore was genuinely good. Change topic ah.
Ginawa mo sa
Okay. Oh, this for sure. This for sure. Everybody, watching knows. Okay. Favorite MiHoYo game.
Honkai Star Rail.
Oh, me. I love me some Honkai Impact.
Use it.
Hoyoverse na ano
Tears of
Hoyo?
Ten.
Back when.
Oh yeah,
first was
HoYoverse.
None.
Oh, it's called the HoYoverse now.
May Hoyo so na.
the Hoyos.
Uwi ko.
Save the world pa nagating ilan na no. So nga to hindi na makakatako Save the world.
I got rid of Miku from their thing.
I don't know.
Me and Mihoyo was from Miku.
Oh wait, what's the origins of MiHoYo? Like where did they come from?
I don't know, pero I know that the me in Mihoyo started for Miku. Hatsune Miku.
Oh, okay. Wait, so say answer. Favorite MiHoYo HoYoverse game. Ikaw. Yes.
Favorite anime game.
Anime.
I don't play anime
I
games.
don't play anime.
It's okay. It's okay.
Anime Vanguard.
Anime Vanguard. I don't know.
Anime depend.
Let's be fair. I don't play any other Hoyo
Yeah, well-
gameverse, like Hoyoverse games other than Genshin.
Wala lang pang gacha na iyagi
I
ka
don't
mga
play
anime
Genshin.
bro.
You guys remember Fallout Shelter Online?
Oh. Ano siya?
I used to
Ano
play it.
butan siya ikaw na seryo.
The online.
Online, why? Fallout
The,
Shelter,
the,
yes.
the Fallout Shelter I used to play, pero nagkontat ko. Online was like a gacha game. I don't know, I got really invested.
Oh.
Sa Jetta. It's basically the same thing, but you raid other people. That was fun. I don't know. It was a gacha game though, so it kind of
Gotcha, ang Fallout.
we rolled
Gacha
for
grind.
characters,
Yeah.
Oh.
and I remember like the Chinese server was so much advanced, so whenever I wanted something like, I have to watch Chinese videos because their game in general, ang game gid nila was like 3 updates ahead. I don't know why.
Ang mga Chinese games usually, mas updated sila.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Like, damo, sa mga games, ang mga leaks halin sa Chinese server. Tungkod lang gid ng ilay na
Love it. You know, like,
And then Valorant, mas, hindi, same na subong patas.
you know, I remember there was a time na CSGO launched to China,
Oh.
and I totally thought it was already in China beforehand. No, low-key.
VPNs.
VPNs lah, yeah.
Wala, ito pala ka VPN mo. Saan ka gamit ng VPN ka?
Huwag daw ka mas, Mark. Tulog ka na. Bro, okay, cut that out for Mark's safety. Yung docs sa China.
Huh?
Wala. Joke lang to.
Joke lang ta.
Barangay stick mo na sa...
There are other games that are like, what are
Mas ka makortahan.
Mga games.
Axie Infinity?
Axie Infinity.
Dahil.
The Axie maze.
Pero, like, surprise ka na do buhi siya for a really long time.
Yeah. The whole crypto craze.
Mga NFT.
And then, oh god. Yo, actually though, if you could go back in time, just buy a lot of Bitcoin.
Actually.
So, saan no galing do, isang cheap, 2010, di ba?
2008. 2008.
Yeah.
Oh.
Boom. Just buy Bitcoin or buy crypto.
2 Bitcoin.
Let's be fair there. Like, who would have expect nga crypto would take off?
No one.
No one.
Mga gamblers lang eh.
I mean, it's just online money basically. Like stocks have stocks are attached to something. They're attached to a company.
Crypto is not.
Crypto is not. So like, it's very risky if you think about it.
High risk, high reward.
Very risky.
Tyron na. Tyron yaw to.
Probably. Araman din sa like August sambulik. August. August? August lang.
Iya man to likod.
No. Yeah, man tulikod.
I saw him at bar practice once.
This is someday.
Ay, who's ready for intrams tomorrow?
Pwede ako si Wiko. Match up kami ni Wiko.
Yes. Tanawa na ni.
Yes, actually. Match up kami ni Wiko.
Match up of the century.
Match up of the century.
Ay, paano ang basketball?
Round robin.
Round robin.
If I remember correctly.
What?
What's the sequence? Like, Rumanda?
I have no idea.
12 to 7 to 8 to 9.
Although it's a 2-day event. So, I feel like dungan. Like tanan nga events. Like tanan nga sports.
Yeah. Naglabay to
Oh
siya.
yeah, naglabay to siya again.
No, then someone say.
No, I have no idea. I-message mo na sa...
Also, di ka lilig, ang fan di ka lilig.
Yeah, nagilis na.
English na. It's fine. Madlagan ka? Fun run?
It is
Exam
exam.
na nila, yeah. Required na Japan sila.
It's okay, that's okay.
Taratonggan feature. Make character.
Okay, yung 3K ka? 3K ka eh. 5.
Padalan ba?
0K.
Salakyan
Bulig
kay.
sa-
Ang salakyan niya ma-drive 10K.
Okay, alin na yun. Kasi
Si-
Talisay.
Walig ng serve yan.
Nga pang konsabo kami tao magupod sa mo 10K. Cause why not?
Ano? Ano ni makamping naman?
Yeah.
Sa una ng camping, tapos sila nakahamba ka kuman ako, nakaagin ako na actually camping dira sa covered court.
I wanna sleep sa Titong just to go ghost hunting.
No.
Nah, that's fun.
Ang ba sa Francis eh?
Kinda don't want to.
Ano to gani? Diri matulog, di ba? Kag maligo lang sa...
I wanna like sleep here, but I don't wanna sleep here. Like not right now. I don't think.
Tulog sa... Iya, ulan pa daan.
And we're back. Oh my gosh! Like there are so many technical difficulties.
Wow.
I don't know why.
Pero galalain ko to sa work kami, ang likod na ako, basa-basa.
Work camp.
I love work camp.
Sa first day.
I miss
The
work
work
camp.
Ang side ni Jeremiah, basa-basa. Ang ako daw, medyo basa lang.
The
May
work
anong
camp
inyong
experience.
atenta?
Hindi
Opo.
ganun, nag-ulan, di ba? Ang sasalog, di ba? Nagsulod sa...
Ay, oo. Ang ano gali, ang par sa mountain. Ar kami da sa slope, di ba?
Oo, harap mo sa slope.
Ang tanan nga tubig, nakadto sa isa ka side. Dayon, ang isa ka side, are the tanan ng electronics namon.
Guys,
Patay,
join the work camp.
patay,
It's fun.
Patay. Akon AirPods, pato sa gilid. Akon nga power bank, pa to. Akon nga, akon nga cord pa sa charger ko, pa to.
This is the average
Dude,
workout
nagubata na.
experience.
Na waterlog to nun.
Waterlog
Pag work camp, may intra ka.
Of course.
Of course.
Leader.
Sir Francis, Sir Francis, we're doing this for you. Everyone join the work camp. It is a very fun activity.
Work camp.
Jokes aside, like
It's very fun.
changing.
Life-changing experience.
Last year?
Yeah.
Nga grade 11 na.
Kaya graduating class grade ka.
Oh, hindi sila ka-bully.
Ah, okay.
Graduating class lang. First of all, mas graduating class ka, pwede ka dapat
Also join.
work camp. Kay fourth grade din, mas work camp.
I feel like aton batch ma-join ka na yan kasi na-attach na ka mo sa
Yeah.
work camp.
Yeah.
And ba man ni sir daw ang third grade. Ang ato na defense. Diba third grading, diba? Pag fourth grading, para may oras sa magano. Mga gusto actually mag-intra, kaya dante, syempre last naman.
Pero hindi naman ito maganda. Hindi naman
Hindi na, ang leader actually sa lanyo.
Yeah.
Kaya na.
Watch.
Tigola na.
Ang Soryata na to, kay Sir Francis.
mamaligya cookies.
Ano to ni Soryata?
And
Ang Soryata na to, si
pulveron.
ano duma, ano lang tayo, may intra lang kita, diba?
Kami na lang ito.
Yeah, kamo
Pero
malo.
before that, kunong ba ya, ma-feedback rin.
Sila naman luto pulveron and cookies.
Accept the challenge.
Ang feedback
Sa
na
TD,
no, bro.
Batok
Yeah.
ng pulburon.
Si Raj, naman naguro.
No, for sure, for sure.
Bisan, like, bisan nang graduate, no, di ko mabalik ko, di kog may ara, ano, may intra ko Japon eh. Legit yun.
Yearly event na.
Kung, hindi mga yearly, kung ano lang, abtan lang ba?
Yeah.
Ang work camp, it is, it has your patience.
Detox niya.
Detox.
Endo ka, ano man, paano mo explain? Paano mo explain? Do hindi na ano? Do ka,
Therapeutic.
yeah. Endo ka, it's not something na do hindi mo, maobra ni mo.
One in a lifetime experience. Or one
Oo. Like, saan mo ma-expect sa teenage life ni mo, mang pinta ka. Kag ang camping, do may chance na matabo, mga gana. Depende man lang sa pamilya. Ang hiking, oo.
Yeah, taon siya sa mga hiking.
Pero hindi kaya kita, yung
Bugtaw 6
Pinte.
o'clock para magluto. Mamadaan dilatas. Kapag ka.
wag ang dilata man no, wag ano, bitin. Lahi gitu yan. Second day pala, nabsa na din.
Ang manok naman yung bakal, kulang-kulang.
Running out of
Ay,
food
hindi.
in 2
Saktong
days.
manok. Ang breadcrumbs, nabilin sa bus.
Ah.
Ang crispy fry, naging bakal namon. Nakwa lang. Sa ngara na kami balik style.
At least nakaluto. Ang crispy fries tayo.
Ikaw may naglalaan nyo ito. Ang daran yung leaders.
Fried chicken nga wala.
Inventory, ah.
Si Ernest.
Fried chicken nga wala ano.
Si Ernest or si Dom?
Dead. Nag-inawa na rin, nag-ano kami. Lang na. Kung kami duwa ka dilata, corn beef, ginmix lang sa itlog ah.
Seryoso?
Oo.
Si Sean,
Okay.
para makakaon. So nagkakaon pagkaon yung teachers.
Nga.
Dala mga dilata. Nga mo na.
Ara.
Dapat mo.
Nami, ito ba lang laso? Saan ito naging mo? Laswa ma? Oo. Lingaw kami kay Sanjo, eh. Kipot kami na bakuran. Nami actually luto ito.
You told me, nga kamutamot ko na.
Oo. Bilog to na, di ba, ang miyara to function hall?
Yeah.
Bilog na function hall, mutamot ya.
Actually last wow, mas mata mo, ay sabor.
Yeah.
Pero mas
Oo.
masaburan mo yung mas kaya lang yan.
Kami, ang ginubra, ang kita pa to kapag, ano, sang the leaves, ba? May ano to, malunggay.
Ano?
Yun
Yeah. Yun ang isa-isa.
Oo.
Join the work camp.
Maka-learn ka to life skill.
Oh.
Advertisement na sa work camp. We're doing your work for you. Hindi na ako mag-advertise for the work
Ano
camp.
na yung mga testimonies?
Testimonies.
This is
Actually.
testimonies. Work camp testimonies.
Work camp testimonies. And I haven't even been to a work camp.
What?
No.
Tud, no?
Choice na yung mga pod last year. Kasi
Yeah.
kung sir brain.
Not really. Like, why lang galing may mga bilin sa research naman.
Duwas.
Duwas na bilin. I had to...
Research dependent.
research, yeah, real. Kapintas la. Guys, research depended. Offended to gani. We got offensive. We got research offensive. Actually, ano to ginhambal? Tanga guys, yung paliwat, bilog tanga research. Guys, of research offended kay gin paliwat bilog na mo nga research. Hindi ta ko no ka-graduate kung hindi ta matapos.
Ako yung mat, paano?
Habang go work ka.
Wala nila. Hindi maganda ako niya.
Kung tuod bin no.
Kayo, pagkabas na
Hindi gani gayuhom ko because just smile it off. Dog.
Subong mo lang, sunburn yun ka.
Laksambo.
Gapat yun. Puti jo, dulog na sa.
Permanent na na.
Taluan, ang pinataluan, yung diri, pati pote, diri din.
Ay, pero sa ano? Kita mo sa gilid daw.
Tuod no. Kalin niya.
Gilid ko daw.
May decal si bro.
Scars ang work camp.
May decal si bro.
Moro. Kita.
Kita ano ginayo?
Ako na eh, amang lang side.
Nado, upside na ya. You get at tan.
Gusto mo free na tan.
Free na tan.
Intro work camp.
Sand.
Gamay pati sir, no? Sa pati pote.
Naging pulit. Isa sang confil nga, exhibit, di ba?
Yeah.
They weren't like 5 months lang pabalo. Like, I just remember, I was like, gato, look ako. I was like, oh, si Jacob. I was like, oh, si Jacob. Oh, wait lang, the work ka pa na sa.
Surprise.
Yeah, during the play. They went.
Ganun ba sa... Ano ba ni sir? Do early, tapuli, para makalantaw, pataway ito naglantaw.
May nagbanap pulit na
Ang puli, kami dirit mo.
Lapyo ka mo eh. The play was good. Yeah, no. Manog tapos, 60%, 75%. I mean, I guess you guys could get half of it.
Okay.
And we're back! It's like the third, oh no, it's like
Second.
almost like the Baguio is like disturbing the technicalities.
Sabing lang.
Anyways, yung ka-push ko, I now have a badminton racket.
Damo switch up sa bang.
That was switch up so. Okay, actually though, not a hot take, but like I feel like badminton is one of the most enjoyable sports.
Can agree.
I feel like badminton like is the one sport that I would play for like every day.
Chill.
Yeah, you can play chill, you can play
Competitive.
fun, you can play competitive. It's the one sport I'd play every day and still be pretty Gucci. I don't know. What are some other sports? Okay, since the intrams naman and all. What are some other sports you think should be added?
Hockey.
Hockey?
F1.
F1 racing.
No, dito ka 10 kilometers.
Yes, F1 racing over here.
Bring back track. Bring back track.
What's ano?
Bring back track.
Track and fields, yeah.
Track and
Sa-
sa ano?
Chess
Not
boxing.
chess boxing. Although it would be fun if my martial arts nga like boxing. I don't know, not boxing. Not boxing.
MM.
Fencing's fine. Not MMA.
May.
Yeah, with like the Aikido room.
No, remember ang grade 10 yung mga leak na footage, saka kami kumagana. So,
Yeah, ang boxing room.
May edit ko na ba?
What?
I got later. Tama.
Yeah. I feel like football, no.
Where?
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 No, but like okay, track and fields
Panaad.
where?
Panaad.
Yeah, exactly.
Panaad.
Oh, sige, football panaad.
pwede ko na actually.
You can't
May
diss
boxing ring
my-
to sa Panaad.
You can't diss my foot. No, okay, actually, genuinely, I feel like martial arts should be added. I feel like judo is the safest martial arts. Because it's not striking.
Fencing.
Fencing, yeah, sure.
Fencing.
Yeah, fencing.
I would enjoy fencing.
Fencing would be fun. I feel like... no, okay. I don't think judo should be added just because I feel like the people who are gonna play are people who don't know.
Sweats. Too many sweats.
Sweats.
Too many
no,
sweats.
No.
No.
Like, okay.
Pulling
Like,
the way you-
martial arts
Oh.
are... Like, martial arts is only safe if, like, the people doing it is, like, yeah,
actually,
they know how to do it. They know how to control.
But
Like, in judo, you have to know how to fall. Like aikido, you have to know how to fall.
Pero I think ang pinaka or like at least ang isa ka sport na yung taekwondo. Kaya doon ka dako gid yung taekwondo scene sa Bacolod. Majority
Yeah,
sa ga
yeah,
taekwondo.
damo taekwondo din. Nah, bro, sumo na lang 100% guaranteed safe. You just push each other out. Sabad na. F1 racing.
Ang go-kart lang.
Ang go-kart. Whoa, that would be sick though. I don't know. What's the my cards bang. What's the most possible nga sport? Esports. Esports. Ano naman esports? Like COD and ML.
Different.
No,
Valo.
For 5 years straight, amo nang dream na mo na may
Mag-Valo,
esports sa
mag-esports.
Valorant.
You know, nothing's stopping us from just making an esports tournament like
Yeah.
outside of Loyalty Week. Like who said it had to be entrance?
No, remember ang yan ba ang idea naman, like sa ating batch ng idea, each
Yeah.
section man,
Makakompete.
Section. Ah, ganun.
It would be fun. Esports would be fun. Okay, aside from like what physical sports, do you think this would be a bit What about rock climbing?
Competitive rock climbing.
It would be funny.
Ah,
Golf.
Golf, I feel like golf would take too long though.
Oo, dula.
Okay.
Participant per batch. siguro.
But where would we get a baseball field? Baseball would have been fun. But like, where do we get a field? Frisbee.
Yung bulig, ito ang skulahan.
Okay, no, asa mo siya naman.
Yung buligan
Teka
na
lang,
naman,
mapamura siya
baseball
pa, ta?
kung ila na, no? Ila na
Yes,
sport.
wala.
Mapamur siya, Pat.
Hindi.
Ang bata, blood.
Okay, pero ito actually
Okay,
frisbee.
swimming.
Oh, ito na. Ito.
Swimming would be fun.
Diba so, diba
Dog.
may,
Na.
diba may
All-
plano, ito na mga butang di swimming
All
pool.
track and oh really? All track and fields in general. Think pa na.
Track and field, ang doable, track and field, bowling, golf.
Football.
Swimming.
My guy calls it soccer. No.
Oh, there's two
No,
kinds.
your
American football.
opinion is irrelevant now.
Pero
It's
swimming to
football.
actually possible. Mangita lang to swimming pool.
Ano? Water polo. Delikado. Delikado.
Polo, horse
Delikado,
riding.
delikado.
Horse
Horse
riding.
Ang sport ka grade, ano to, 9, 8?
Ano kaya sport nila?
Equestrian.
It's horse
Huh?
riding. It's basically horse riding.
How?
Sting, sa
Joust.
Hindi ka pangita. Horse.
Jousting.
kabahayo.
Motorsports.
Naglakad. Okay,
Rally
ikaw-
racing.
What?
Rally racing.
Ikaw mo.
Hammer place, hammer place.
What sport do you wanna play? Or what sport do you want in the intrams?
What sport did I join in?
Anong gusto mo? Anong gusto mo?
Ang sport na wala ko sa drums anong
Yeah, what do you want?
Huh?
Hindi, what the? Bro? Ang wala pa.
I'm swimming.
Go sa dito sila.
No, like what?
Swimming.
Swimming?
Swimming.
What's a exotic sport?
F1.
Polo. Polo.
I feel
Polo.
like the more and more F1 becomes popular, I feel like it's like commonplace na.
Javelin.
Javelin, like track and sport, jousting.
Very, ano,
Okay, walk into a house, like gymnastics.
so, no?
Sila sa kabayo, dahil mga matuslokan na.
Jousting.
Jousting ka ni!
Jousting ka. My guy wants jousting. Okay, let's be fair. You walk into a house, I feel like 9 out of 10 households would know what F1 is.
Hindi na mo actually, bandwagon.
She's the one.
Ano, joke. Like, kibot ko na ba? Feeling ko ba daw bandwagon na ning iba na fans?
Yeah, I feel like they don't like really. I mean, I'm not really into the F1 scene. I just know F1. NASCAR or F1?
Depende.
NASCAR is fun though. Okay,
I've only watched NASCAR. I haven't watched
Okay.
like a full F1 race.
recently, nag-okay naman ng F1 in terms of how entertaining it is. But, like, ang previous races, doko boring. Like, to the point na ang NASCAR daw mas sadya.
I only watch F1 because of the memes.
Ang sport na
For Instagrams, golf.
Ando
Cool.
nakakit, pero ginagawa.
Ah, ang script nila.
Oh,
Ano nga tawag ka?
I forgot.
Ano nga tawag? No, it's not hockey.
No, it's
Big. Ginagawa.
Ako na sa, tapos kinapalay nila. Ano mo to yung...
Ah!
And there's like,
Gamo
score
na.
Canadian
Oh.
yan. Naka-Canadian.
Okay, gets.
Wait, what if?
where you try to get in a
Breakdancing.
Boogs Olympics.
Kung Australia.
Olympic style. What sports is in the Olympics? They have a lot of winter events, gymnastics, weightlifting.
Weightlifting.
I feel like weightlifting would be pole vaulting.
Ano, category, Red Bull. Then, karalong yung stud ka.
Yes, real. Mga Red Bull na
Skateboarding.
shorts.
Olympics. Olympic sport din diba?
Really?
So,
Skateboarding?
gin-add na nila.
What rollerblading?
Oh.
Bagong i-add nila esports.
Yeah, they have esports. Most university.
Okay.
Wait, 2K. Most universities have esports team now. Like, ang TP may esports ng team.
Si Matt, diba?
Si Matt,
Valorant.
Valorant nga roster.
What other games? Like, playable for esports?
Yeah.
Minecraft Hunger Games.
Not CSGO. Minecraft Hunger Games. Back to the topic of Minecraft. Do any of you know what UHC is? Not UHC. Hoplite.
No.
It's basically UHC, but not Hypixel.
Oh.
Hoplite. It's just Hypixel UHC, but better. Because there's no cheaters and stuff.
You guys play on the pit or wala?
No, I haven't tried the pit.
I have. Si Tristan lang yung galing addict dito sa pit.
Yeah.
Siya na influence mo.
Wala.
I played it for like 1 day and I got bored.
I'm pretty sure I'd get wrecked.
Yeah, not work lang.
Badmin sports mo?
Wait, anong pangon mo sa ano?
Badmin?
Ay, hindi na siya badmin. Ang
Badmin.
lain ng ila players.
Ah.
Duwa ng
Kita
kontra
na
mo.
ito badmin?
Ha?
Badmin.
Basket?
Badmin ko?
Si Mark Basket.
Okay lang siya, bigat chess.
This.
Pati ba nakapampa, no?
Tama ita. Kabla ka magahampang ka.
Tapos na siya.
Badmin.
Wait, si,
Parang dala ko, racket.
Same.
si Jacob, chess?
Why siya sport?
Hindi siya pwede?
Ano ginawa?
Ay, siya pwede.
Hindi,
Varsity sa Japan.
Varsity sa Japan.
Just
Si
kidding, chess.
si Arnie kag si Sean.
Ay, gilis sa
Varsity.
stinek chess.
Si Arnie kag si Sean ma
Kaya,
chess.
Mark. Ano ginawa mo?
Badmin.
Badmin ko? Badmin ta? Yes. Dua kami.
So, Lord.
Basket ko to kontra night.
Losers, actually.
Basket ko.
Basket na siya.
I just love to play badminton. It's okay.
It's okay. As in,
I feel like I could
sure na sa.
I feel like I could play badminton and I'd still be fine. Like
Sub
I could
daw.
sub. You know, honestly, I could sub for badminton, I'd still be fine. I'd lose to the grade 9s, pero I'd still be
Oh.
fine.
Ay, na-regret ko, ikaw game friend.
Ha?
Regret ko, ikaw game friend.
Takang intra ka? Intra ka badminton.
Ha?
Who?
Ang grade 7. wala
Zoe?
Zoe.
Zoe, yeah. Like
Zoe,
sang publications nga team building. There was like a grade 7 nga niya si Zoe. She just huh? I don't know. But like she just came up to us, was like we were playing badminton. She just came up like, "Can I try?" And she tried and she was fine.
She was really good though.
Try.
Badminton.
And then nag-unlock na yun ang 10 years of ano,
I didn't
experience.
I didn't like syempre lang pasa-pasa. And then nagampa kami ni Vince pagdato.
Si Vince, di ba?
Varsity na.
But Ben?
Yeah, si Vince.
Oh.
Varsity na sa badminton.
Subong lang.
Yeah, no? Yeah, hasta subong. I'm surprised. Okay, I thought si Sean Vilches gampang-hampang. Like, just as hobby.
Varsity.
I didn't know nga gahampang gid sa sanguna.
Ako man may kibot ko na varsity sa una.
Si Sean, yeah. Oh, si Orion.
Si Orion,
Pala
ano,
na, yeah.
Bisan kung ano na sport, yun yung try niya.
Yeah.
Sa si Shroud siya. Like
Si
any
Shroud siya.
FPS game.
Yeah.
Sagad.
Sagad.
Si Mark.
Si Mark, wag basket.
Sport do.
No, he just, ang personality, yabi maghampang. Though, unique. Like sa basket, palakan siya kayo. Like, permear siyang bulag. Like, okay. No, legit. There was a time, ginaguard ko si Oriana muna. Ba't siya gun ko mangingakaputan niya likod ko? Pagkabalikid ko, ano to so? Like, bro, what? Hello.
Chess pa siya dahil yun.
Got chess. Got chess, ah.
For fun man lang yun.
For fun.
Oh.
Bale, ping pong.
Pero I think ang iya na ping
Ping
pong.
pong.
Yung iya na.
Yeah, ping pong.
Oh.
Hindi gampang gid sa university ping pong. Pero I feel like it's not his like best sport now. I think masagad sa badminton. Just
Doka,
because,
pero sa akin, doka patas sila ni Sean eh.
yeah, patas lang siya, for sure.
Like, kung like Sean could win, Mark could win, though depende man lang.
Yeah, kung may makasala lang sila.
Oo.
Kung may makasala.
Si Mark, ang problema naman kay Mark is kakakabos siya.
Kadraw
Yung like
siya.
ready na niya mo na.
I don't think I've seen. Yeah. Ay, like ginakrop ka. Ay, wait nigo. I feel like
Nigo yun, pero hindi. Ito nga.
I don't think I've seen Mark nga do ka seryoso gid like hampang any sport.
Somehow he's managed
smash
to do it
eh.
well.
Biskan magbadminton. Stoy. Biskan magbadminton ga joke na sa.
Oo, mga ni. Bisa nang gampa, to siya po sa grade 9 na ba, why man to dapat, gin seryoso.
Oh yeah, wala man seryoso.
Pero
Imagine.
natuka to
Imagine
siya
na.
actually sa grade 9. Mabaya to ka sa
Yeah,
grade
amo
9.
na ginambal yung grade 9 nadlo kanya. Mark Orian, I asked him about that nga basta nga hadlok sa grade 9, daog ka. And he was like, patas guro. I guess magwa ning episode will be after Entram, so I guess we'll find out.
Balanta lang
We'll find out.
Okay, place your bets.
Place your bets. Mark Orian.
No, place your bets.
No,
Wait,
in yung
basketball, volleyball, ano.
Oh, na.
Prediction.
Predictions. Oh, predictions.
After-
Okay.
Boys
Sige.
boys.
Sige, boys category.
Okay, wait.
Boys basketball, boys basketball.
Wait, okay, let's go. Boys basket?
Yung pinaka, mo?
12.
Delikado.
I mean, okay.
Why kita
I
ka
w-
practice? Ang
We're
grade
not
12.
biased. Okay, I would wanna say 12. Pero wagi kami kaagi practice pas kanisa.
No, ang manay lang ka ng babas. Ano ba yung blank? You cannot beat talent with hard work.
Okay, here's the thing though. It's like, okay, give or take, in terms of players lang guro, I'm pretty sure batch naman pinaka namin. But amo lang like as a team, why pa kami kaagi?
Coordination.
Why pa kami?
Like, naturally.
Five, si Richard.
Naturally, may coordination na sila. Just because they play every day.
Oo.
But like, in terms of like sa intrams, ba, are we ready? I'm not sure.
Actually, kung mapatas ang fight, if Ara, si Barretag, si Ahmed.
Oh, si Ahmed, wala.
Legit.
Ano sila to?
Ano yung nagano na sila?
Yeah. Si Ahmed.
Gampang kami si Ahmed. Ano gito yung gampang niya? Ginapay ang bola. Ay, mo, tira ha. Kwa ang bola.
I feel like si Ahmed maka like dako bulik ni Ahmed
Tatlo
for
sila
sure.
rin, James.
Oo.
Tatlo na sila.
And
Dumdum,
Ano?
ito yung last year to. Isang ilang taon lang si Gabs ang practice na to. Ano ba yun? Matlukan kung mag-uwa pag yan sa inyo.
the yung last year dubi nga practice may like seryoso to ya.
Dito nila. Yeah. Hindi to
Like we had may plano kami and everything, we had formations.
Oh.
Like this year I don't even know kung
May
ano.
team pa sila.
May team pa si Pagan. This year I don't even know kung ano formation
Ang
naman.
inyo lang experience. Hindi last year lang ang ano ng inyo na do ka practice.
Yeah, practice. And as subong ay kinalipatan naman. I don't even know if we're gonna run the same comp. So balanta na.
Okay.
No. Later na practice lang ako no. I'm not sure about that though.
Okay.
And okay, so basket
12.
12 girls. I don't know. I wanna bet on the girls because it's just gonna be for the fans.
Oo, for fun man lang na usually.
Kami ka-practice.
Yeah, no, like this. To be decided.
Ang volleyball, well,
Volleyball guys.
kung hindi, like not even a bias para sa akin, do ka dominate, grabe itong dominate ang
Grade 12.
atong to batch
Ang ano
last
lang
year.
I feel like volleyball will just be power.
Oo.
Like the fact nga ang aton nga volleyball guys is just like magtampa sila katampa gid sila. Like galabot sa atop sang
12
Court.
boys volleyball.
Wait, tumlo ka nga, I think. May chance
Ron,
na
Vince,
at
Carl.
the basketball girls.
What?
Kaya mga volleyball girls na.
oh yeah, nakapa
Yeah.
na volleyball guys. Gani. And ako sanay na sila mag-sports.
Si Caitlin Clark, pero ano,
Okay, after
Volleyball.
volleyball girls. I don't know who plays volleyball
hindi mo ko
girls.
sure kung sino man pang.
Yung boys dito, tatlo ka varsity ara sa aton.
Yeah.
Ang grade 11.
I feel like grade 11 madaog sang girls.
Volleyball.
Volleyball.
Volleyball, yeah.
So, ano na,
Kaya pero dito ako mamo nag-batching.
Yeah, I feel like as sa subong grade 11 dyan madaog. Volleyball.
Prediction.
This is just predictions. Next.
Scrabble, I don't
Scrabble.
think mo daog ta. Si Jeremiah mabuhat, pero other than that,
Sino nga po
daog
dyan?
Hindi ko mga lower grades matawag sa Scrabble.
Si Kate.
Kasi kaya lagi.
Depende, kaya do,
Gian.
do ka amo ni, like, dumiyara amo ni sa team natin sa Scrabble, may amo ni.
Yeah, it's...
There's no in between. Kaya nang ginpa-practice, pati yung Jeremiah actually, ang ano yeah.
Si Juliana, mas Scrabble, yun.
Yeah, I think.
Oh, that'll be fine.
Jeremiah.
That'll be fine.
Kate Gian.
Sa Jato amo niya, I remember I pulled like
Ayun siya.
a 10,000 aura move.
Si Sam.
I think-
si Jakes.
I think like losers bracket finale to. I forgot kung sino kontra namon. Pero like they pulled a really long word, like 5-letter word, and it was like 30 points. And I saw Chi, like QI, and it was on a triple word. So I scored the same amount of points with one letter. I was like, I'll show you a magic trick. 30 points. That was like plus aura. No, grade 10 to. Ang grade na ang kontra namon?
Lolo.
Yeah. I don't know. I mean, we were grade 10 at the time, so probably grade 9. Chess? Oh, okay.
We have Arnie.
We have 2 varsities. No, chess isn't even fair kay dua varsity ta. Like, that's not even a question.
Pero position, hindi mo siya mag-good choice.
Di man siya si Sean.
Just yan.
Nag-quit na siya badmin para makafocus
Chess.
sa
Si
chess.
Arne kag si
Open
Sean.
ng ano ba yun?
No. Ginko ni
Ang kwa-
Vilchex. Si Vilchex, wala.
Ang sabi.
Actually, yung una na ano,
Ang sabi.
Si
Yeah.
Sean, si Dom, si Sean, si Dom. Si Sean,
Sean,
si Dom, si Mark, si
Mark.
Mark. Now, si Mark, si Sean, si Dom. A different Sean.
oh. Hindi ang first na ano.
Ang
actually.
first, wala si Sean.
Hindi. Ang first idea ako, si Steve.
Oh, really?
Oh, si Shan, kag si Shan, I guess, kag si, ano.
And then everything swapped up.
Then after that, ako kag si Steve nagwa para mag-make room para kay Mark kag kay Shan.
And then nagwa si Sean.
Nagwa si Shan, ako
Nagkaroon
nabulos.
ka blues. Okay. Ping pong. Oh, not gonna lie. I don't know.
Mga sigmas naman.
Mga sigmas naman nga practice.
Pretty good.
Bad
Yung
men?
player sa ping-pong yun.
Grade 9 boys.
I think daog si Orian.
Sure kung sino players naman.
Or yan ang grade 9.
Isa nang isa ganit. Manghod, ano ibang katan? No?
Tapos grade 7.
I'm not sure. Hindi ko
Yeah,
kilala actually.
amo na hambal man ni Orian. Manghod.
Pero, ano man. It's risky. Like, we have
I feel like Badman will be our closest.
Wait.
Like,
magwa ni diba after?
yes.
Ang amo na do ka team do gin himo na mo in a way na do mas dako chance na mo dog.
I think si Vilches dapat ang masing goals.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, that is it for Read the Room episode 2. Actually, doka episode 1.5. 1.5. Doka it's a filler. It's a mini cast. It's filler for the Loyalty Week. This is your September episode. Anyways, that is it. That is all. This will be really funny because this will come out after Loyalty Week and we're gonna listen to this and we're gonna be like, oh,
Sala prediction.
sa lot predictions, diba?
Ding ang grade 12 ang pinakalas.
Grade 12 loses all the matches. I love it. Anyways, that is it for Read the Room. Goodbye, roomies.
So, we go say the goodbye.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye, roomies.
They will be reading our mom, but today we'll be reading the room. For today, we have no idea what we'll be talking about. It's a very good day. Tawa kaya!